Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Today few students have sent an SMS to me asking, is it really possible to teach crash batch in a matter of 200 or 250 hours? So let me say my own opinion with this regard. So in just a matter of 200 or 250 hours, it is not possible to give coaching. It can only be considered as guidance. It cannot be considered as coaching. It is possible to give only some broad guidance. That's it. It cannot be considered as coaching because the syllabus is vast. And if we decide to teach crash batch in just 200 to 250 hours, then we will be forced to even leave some important chapters also. Luckily, Masterminds has a different approach. So Masterminds is going to teach for 400 hours through Zoom platform and 100 hours through video lectures. So our case is entirely different. Our academic program is entirely different. So the academic program being followed by some of the players in the market is something different. They have decided to just give some guidance to the students rather than crash batch coaching. So instead of relying on such kind of crash batch coaching, which is being taught in just 200 to 250 hours, I have a better idea for you. So everybody knows that we have already developed our RRB batches, rapid revision batches. As a part of these RRB batches, we will be teaching the entire subject in a matter of 20 or 25 hours. In that manner, for group 1, we have RRB batch for accounting standards, we have RRB batch for company law, we have RRB batch for other laws separately, we have RRB batch for costing, we have RRB batch for income tax, and we have RRB batch for GST. So totally 6 RRB batches are there. For each RRB batch, student needs to pay just 450 rupees. That means, as far as GST is concerned, it's only 300 rupees. That means, by spending approximately 2500 rupees, you are getting a coaching of approximately 150 hours, because each RRB batch comprises of approximately 20 to 25 hours. So 20 or 25 hours multiplied by 6, it will be around 150 hours. So that's why by spending just 2500 rupees, you are getting a coaching of 150 hours. So instead of spending unnecessarily on guidance classes of 200 to 250 hours, it's better to spend on our RRB batches. By spending 2500 rupees, you can get coaching of worth 150 hours. Similarly, as far as group T is concerned, we have RRB for group 2 accounting standards, number 2 auditing, number 3 EIS, number 4 strategic management, number 5 financial management, number 6 economics for finance. So even for group 2 also, we have 6 RRB batches. Approximately you will be getting 150 hours of coaching. So for that you will be hardly paying 2500 rupees. That's why, my dear students, instead of spending on such kind of guidance classes, it's better to spend on our RRB batches. It will be more fruitful to you. And one more good news is, very soon we are going to update our entire RRB batches of all the subjects. We have already finished shooting of all the subjects in our shooting room. So HD quality videos will be provided to you. In each subject we are going to provide at least one free class also. You can watch it, check the quality, and then you can buy the same. All the best, my dear students.